Here's a little test of the AJT key fob. Lock, unlock, panic. So it works. There you go, guys. Welcome back, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another mod, guys. What you can see here is the AJT design key fob replacement. This is their information. This is a very high quality key fob replacement. We went with the white with the black buttons. It all comes with all the little screws with it. How I look at this for this modification to the third Gen Tacoma is you can't have a cool truck without having a cool key, because this is the first thing you'll see before you see the vehicle. So you have to have something cool to present your cool vehicle. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Here it is, guys. With this mod, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a knife for prying, and your OEM key fob. Either your spare key fob or the one that you use all the time. Now let's get started with taking your key fob apart. So you're going to grab your flathead screwdriver, and right here you'll see a little tab, and you're going to kind of pry it open. And that's why you have your knife. Now watch yourself, don't cut yourself here. And you're going to kind of pop it open, like so. And then you're going to kind of pry away at it. Here comes the backing. And here's your batteries and buttons and all your internal stuff. So don't lose this. We'll put that right there. Now here's all your buttons and an empty key. Now we can see here, this is the orientation: unlock or lock, unlock, and horn or hold panic button in the desired factory location of the factory key fob. This is the AJT design key fob replacement of the factory one. So we will be doing lock, unlock, hold for horn or panic button, and then a blank. So get your desired colored buttons, and you guys would have a choice of getting any other color. I got black and white because my third Gen Tacoma is black and white. So on here we could see this one is lock, this one is unlock, and be the smaller ones. So this is a yelling mark, this one is a blank, so here's a blank for us, and this one is a, I believe, another blank of some sort right here. So there's those, but don't drop these. I just dropped it and it was quite hard to find. So here's another panic button. So we'll do it in this order. We'll flip it over and we will do lock, unlock, and then we will do panic. Oh, we will do panic, which is right here. Oh, whoa. It's quite difficult. It's a little, things move around a lot. We will do the spare, which goes right here. These small ones are really difficult to deal with, but yeah, you can still deal with them. There we go. Just like so. Put your hand over, and I just dropped it out. So that's what it would look like. Now we'll take the key fob. This is actually the key fob, and we will place it like so. So they work. Now we have to take the key off and put it on the AJT design key fob. It'll be just easier to just basically, there we go, basically just bend it up, and there it is. actually, right there. Alright, so you just bend the key, and there it is. So now, we're going to bring the new one over here, and slide it right in here, like so. Just like so. Now you're going to want to take your backing, your back piece, put it on there, like so. Push it in, make sure all the buttons are lined up the way that you want it. Make sure the key is good. You're going to want to flip it over. Hopefully you don't spill all the guts out to the floor. Take your Allen keys, do a crisscross pattern, and then slowly tighten them. Do not put Loctite on these. It specifically says do not put Loctite on them. So let's do a crisscross pattern. Bottom left, top right, bottom right, and then top left. Now these are just loose tightened on there, and you're going to want to go around and give them a little bit of snug, starting with the top right. Let's do a little bit of snug and stop. Bottom left, a little bit of snug. Bottom right, a little bit of snug. And top left, a little bit of snug. Now this is what it should look like. Like so. This is your new key fob, guys. Lock, unlock, panic. And it just feels so much more high quality. It's amazing.